welcome back. Today I'm going to show you some items that I got from Home Goods, Marshalls, and West Elm. I'm not going to sit down and show you the items because it is extremely hot today and the fans are being picked up by the camera, so I'm just going to show you the items and then do a voice over. But before we get started, do not forget, if you haven't already, to press the subscribe button and follow along for home decor DIYs. I'm going to be trying to do some more hauls and different things like that. Okay, so let's get started and get right into all the good finds. Okay, first I'm starting with pillows because pillows are my fave and you can change them in and out. Home Good always has a great deal of pillows and they have a lot of neutral colors that you can mix and match and build off. So I started with these and they're good because they came in a 2-pack for $25 and they are pillow covers along with the inserts. So if you wanted to change them out, you have the inserts, and if you wanted to wash them, you can wash them because they have the zippers. So I'm just going to use these to kind of brighten up the couch because both of my couches in my living room are dark, and so I like light cream color pillows, but I have to change them a lot. I brought this pillow. I don't know, I thought I had a bigger couch than I did. It was only $15, but I gave it to my daughter. She uses it in her room, but it was a good deal for a nice long pillow. She likes it, but it's too big for the couches, but it played into the neutral colors, but it probably was best that I didn't keep it for the living room anyway because it was kind of dark. And then I have this one, which you could also do a DIY, and you can make this type of pillow. It is just like kind of embroidery thread, and then it's kind of tacked down, and you can do this easily on a DIY, but I thought it was cute and it wasn't that expensive. And again, this is a pillow cover, and then it has the insert, and you could just throw it in the middle there. You can do a kind of stacking thing and have, you know, little moments. I only brought one though, so I didn't like how it looked, just the one in one. So I'm gonna still keep trying with the pillows, but these were some great finds, and like I said, they all came with the pillow inserts, and then all of the covers are removable, and they're great neutral colors. And then this one is the one that I got from West Elm. I tried to get it from the store, but it was sold out in the store. The guy was like, it was popular, and then now it was on clearance for $20. This one was just the pillow cover, but I love the details and stuff on it, and then the colors kind of play into the living room colors that I do have in my house, and then I can change it, you know, again, wash it and change it out. But that was one of the pillow covers that I got from the West Elm stuff. So these are all the pillows that I got on this runabout. And now on to some other goodies. This little side table, I got it to go on the side of the couch. The little spot I wanted to put it in between the wall and the couch, it was too big. I didn't really measure it. I just saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, it's on sale. Let me grab it. I was on my way to the checkout, but it is wood. I believe it's wood. And it was on sale for $30. So I was like, let me not leave it here. And it's super cute. And I'm trying to decide really where to put it because I didn't get two, so I don't want to put them by my bed table, but my bedside. But I was like, do I do like a little bar cart situation? I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out, but I do love it. And then I got this planter, which was something else also that I saw when I was on my way out, like going towards checkout. And I was like, oh, it has that like little stone look. And then it was only $7. And it's kind of heavy too for a $7. I don't think it's real stone. I think it's just like made to look like it. But I'm thinking all the things you would need to do with, say, Dollar Tree materials or something like that to make the look would cost you about $7. So it was worth it. And then I'm trying to play into more wood accents in my house. So I got this candle holder. It is plastic, but it kind of looks like wood. It doesn't look too much like wood on top of something wood like that there. But when I put it on my shelves, it looks just like wood. And it was really cheap. So I picked that up too. And that was from Marshalls because I also went to Marshalls and I picked up some stuff because they were like across the street from each other. So I have that. And then this, which I thought was so cute, it's for the kitchen, but it reminds me of the Restoration Hardware type little vessels or things that they have. And it was only $8. And you can put it in your kitchen. And if you have like a nice clean color kitchen, like, you know, black and white and grays and stuff like that, this would be cute to put your little things in. But I'm putting it on a shelf because it fits right into my shelf and it has that old restoration hardware look, like I said. And I think it is super cute. Even close up you can see the little details. So either room would be good. You could use it in your kitchen, but like I said, I'm using it on my shelves. It's not over big like the restoration hardware ones, but it is perfect. And then this glass piece, this little vase thing, it has like an odd shape, and I love the colored glass. I love colored glass. And Home Goods has a lot of this too. I got this one from Marshalls, but Home Goods and Marshalls both have a lot of these colored glass pieces, which are also great. And then I also got these knobs. You can always find knobs at Marshalls or at Home Goods, and they're really inexpensive. And I'm going to use these to do, because I'm upcycling furniture in my house so that I don't have to go out and buy new furniture. So now we're on to frames, because frames are always good to get from these places. So whether it be Home Goods, whether it be Marshalls, whether it be any place that has, you know, cute little frames on sale, it's always good to pick them up because they're good to decorate your shelves and to put different things. This one is a wood looking one. They have the nice clear ones with the gold accents and stuff like that, but they always have like a great large variety, and most of the time they're under $10. So this one was super cute. It is shiny, but I do like it. It looks like it was like, you know, polished with a certain type of finish. And then I got more of the gold accent ones, which I like because I like the frame to stand out. I do a lot of DIYs with like kind of Dollar Tree frames, but I love these. These I got from West Elm. The big one was $27, which you got to be careful when you put the pictures in. I put a picture of my father and I put a piece in the back, and then now it's just stuck in there. It's like forever. But he was so cute that I put him in both frames. So the small one was $20. They both were on sale, but they're so cute, and they're simple, but it's like the thick acrylic and then the gold piece on the back, and then like the back also has a little gold trim that kind of pops out, and they're just super cute, and they make a little presence. And then this is another one that I got from West Elm. This one was about $15, and it was also on sale, and it has all the different colors in it. It has green, which really doesn't go into my color scheme, but it's on the side, so you really can't see it that much. And then even the back of this is cute. Most of the time with picture frames, the back of them doesn't look that good, so this one goes good on my shelf that you can see into the kitchen, because the back also is good. And then now on to my favorite find that I found was this lamp that I found. Just so you know, like if you go to Home Depot or you go to Target or something and you try to get these type of bulbs, they're like between $10 and $15. This lamp was $25. So, and it came with the bulbs. So if I was just buying the bulbs, so basically I got the lamp for like $10, $15. And it's so cute, and it's a different style lamp. And I'm going to be doing a DIY with another lamp that I have in my living room so that they can kind of blend together. But I think it's so cute. And then the bulbs have like a kind of yellowish tone to them, so it looks really cute at night. So that was mostly everything that I got this time when I went to Home Goods. So Home Goods, Marshalls, and then I ordered the things from West Elm because the pillowcase wasn't in stores, so I didn't want to pick those things up. So that was it for all of this week's finds. Do not forget to subscribe and check out some of my other DIY videos and different things, ways to make your home look extra nice and cute on a budget. All right, I'll see you.